khublei shibun pro ke peit ya kene ka video mata te kene ka video ngini peit ya kene ka question paper jongka Assistant Inspector of Excise under the Commissioner of Excise year of advertisement kede arjar of sauk exam kina shtho hu panai machi kasantrik match arjar of san tengnya peit yang ne ya ka question paper ringkat bat ki answer ma bladap ai ki answer dengan siapet ini te kanyarap ru itu giban to exam lara de kino exam khamtam le jong MPSC nomor ba kindon be ki question ki bar repeat mo jong MPSC nomor ba MPSC ka syllabus jan baro ki pus ki long almost the same ka jinge per long batang mathematics or economics lane kita ke gue ki baron extra la nyang ta English is same GK is same datar te kindon ru ki bar repeat mo kat kom ki exam Take about day jong Meghalaya police ru bade jong UB but UBSI kan yarap hi akiru lara hi page yaki question te kanu ru kalong make yarap marba kdegi knowledge te kandon bet kaji mentoy te sampai jika video untuk ko bakut te ladon gino kaji bakla shu comment marpane nganom ngin shu petang ki answer mo pradap ai lupa okay tengin ya japo kan series number 1 question booklet ka Bandon hane ketika general English, general knowledge, aptitude and reasoning. Kamaks kadai lais pamak ar kantas tengki aipor an pendap ya kane. Te kane hari untar kampat mi result re yodon ki bakal 5 lanu kan mi result kampat mi re adu untaro nam ta ki ban voice interview dan lami kinsa pentip. Yang tu karon sheet pak san totally question san po shi part A part B and part C. All question are compulsory dan keju hi kini ki instruction or keju hi kan mau later exam banda pulei ki instruction then poe ka part A general English kena dun kam shis pak mark mark ka question omdon negative marking ma te bi hagan ne bade phaban pulei shwa kan ka passage pat bisa jawab ya ki question bade how you feel miserably tangan pulei re kan te phila ban shu post bat pulei hi ma phi how you feel miserably gum tar ya pulei kane ka passage da phila pulei kane ka passage bade sala ban attempt ya kine ki question to la point creating the light bulb statement on reveal is great but also is optimistic for looking at a bright side great can learn to grow phila pulei itu then ka last line on what did you do to overcome the negative and self sabotaging feeling of failure reflects on what you did and try to use those same powerful resource to help you today. Dengan page kita lagi question answer ada tung ada baik tu pasal. The reason why you are not a robot is that failure and success can affect your emotion. To develop perseverance, one must be in the moment and be aware without judgment. Then number 3. What do you understand from the following line? Failing down or failing is one of the most agonizing, embarrassing, and scary human experience. Failure can deeply affect our emotion. Yakane filaban puli bechwa yakateka passage ma answer. How does mindfulness help? It quietens the noise of fear and doubt. Number B. 5. What is the message to convey in the last paragraph of the passage? Through mindfulness, we can overcome the negative impact of failure. Katu last line gua puli mata. Then comes number 6, question number 6 to 10 for the given idioms. Can the idiom, the best alternative express causing meaning of idiom marks the correct answer in your answer sheet. Idiom kan mau UBSR one idioms. Tengok pihak puli bah as UB kawan. Te pihak banda puli bah panstu bah kumini. Keep at bay, answer is keep at a distance. Kini temla ada bantip kiwan nangno yunangno tempat pihak puli bagi bun mah gini idioms. Telada pilong ke smart pihak puli online pihak puli nangno nuru kini rabek tang ban pensutu EP kajing affair jangan katakan idioms. A man of straw, a man of no substance. Pull your sock up to improve. Cap it all to finish and pendam. Speak and span, spotlessly clean. Then way to cut R. The following questions substitute each with a single word among the given alternatives. Okay, ngihap substitute tang kawai ka contain ya kini ki ten kini te kawa khandoi te kasuk a place to bury dead bodies katu atep hi cemetery. A person who studies star, planet and others heavenly bodies, astronomers. A handwriting which cannot be easily read, illegible. Place where birds are kept, aviary. One who is unable to read or write, illiterate. Kini te kidi ki knowledgeable, ki knowledge wa adon pa kli hi. Last two itang one jawab bro. Question number 16 to 20. Kane kadai choose a word that is opposite in meaning. Kan mau mama pun kumikinir ki bakalabhan maro kim pulibah. Teda pulibahan mar kini ki opposite in meaning ci wan ben. Kedon kiba opposite but custom meaning wa arja kidon. Tedon kiba kum bakalah kum gini. Tes kan mau banda pulibah. Kane ban kong kadai opposite in meaning wa. Kan riu hadu arpau. Demise but opposite tamo ayam. Te lakha. Prohibit allowed. Timid brave. Modern ancient. Amicable hostile. Then question number 21-25. Kane choose a word that is more similar. Kane sim meaning similar words. Massive, huge. Stumbling block, hurdle. Gratify, indulge. Comprise, include. Stupid, dull. Then 26 to 30. Kine phya page ke sentence ki badon error bar ki bomdon error. Phya puli kane dan page ka error ne ka biang ne ka sentence kamta. The white chairs in the sitting room is made of teak. Haka caka utu ba underline phya page day num day tare are made of teak. C is the correct answer. He was asking my opinion for the film. He was asking for my opinion about the film. He has the guts to rise from the occasion. Rise to, they rise from the occasion. Robert wishes he was rich enough to travel the world. No error. Kena amdon error. Kadik no error. People are wanting to see the home team win the game. People want to see the home team win the game. Okay. Life weight, life sun. Kena influence sentence have blank space followed by 4 alternative answer. Okay, hapanda bercakap sudah kan emang blank space. The teacher says disappointedly, there is dash in my class who can solve this problem. There is nobody in my class. Yesterday it dash raining so heavily. It was raining so heavily. The mayor said that it dash him great pleasure to be there at evening. It give him great pleasure to be there at the evening. The house dash I was born belonged to my grandparents. Where I was born belonged to my grandparents. See. She took it dash of her bag. She took it out of her bag. The English agenda. Life and rules of power. Direct indirect speech. Kenapa kita banda sutu bahai kita ki direct indirect speech. Kiba kelumar kemana te kita pen krep ha lam kita te jenjar bah ban penbeng. Tada pempat don bah. Tada foundation ban sutu ismakan dengan direct indirect speech. I said to him, "Why are you working so hard?" Correct answer is I asked him why he was working so hard. You can't bat in the sea, he said to me. It's very tough. He said that I couldn't bat in the sea as it was very tough. She exclaimed with sorrow that it is a miserable plight. She said what a miserable plight it is. He said I saw a book here. He said that he had seen a book here. The father warned his son that he should be aware of him. The father warned his son, beware of him. Nang ban pen kalai kemini. Question number 41 to 45. Rearrange ya gini ma pen long kawai ke senten ke babiang. Pihak rearrange kan orang try pen yanang hi. Pihak arrange tu A B C D lah ada payang tu tapi pihak arrange kat kum gini ki E D C D tu. Dan la arrange kumi kan kadek question number A B A C E D. B. The children were fascinated by the animals. Mutbah ka number A is the correct answer. Pihak nang ban page kumta ban pen page iki sentence. 42 correct answer is D. B A C E D. Upbringing plays an important role in personal progress. 43, question number B. A, D, E, C, B. An unexpected victory made him popular. Then question number 44, A, C, E, B. They admire the rock beauty of the coastline. 45, C, EDB. Her job left her with little free time. 45. Then 46 to 50, can they fill the blank in the following close passage, la passage, take his eye to blank to number. They have pendap kat kum gitu ki number 46, 47, 48, to Child is a time when there are few responsible to make life difficult. If a child has good parent, he is fed, look after 46, after, and love whatever he may do. It is impossible that he will ever again in his life be given so much without having to do anything in return. In addition, life is always presenting new things to the child. A child finds 48 pleasure in playing in the rain or in the snow. His first visit to the seaside is a marvelous adventure, but a child has his pain. He is not free to do so as he wishes. He is continually being 49, being told not to do things, or is being 50, is being punished. His life is therefore not perfectly happy. Tu là đáp án tu. Là đáp cái tu English and one saka general knowledge and aptitude. Ini dan kaman pulih kot bah. Kawan by all India ka general knowledge. Which is the highest civilian award in India? Bharat Ratna. Among the following, decide whether a particular bill is a money bill or not. The Speaker of the Lok Sabha. Who among the following? Okay. The full form of LED is light emitting diode. Which one of the following is the correct chronicle order of the places in terms of sunrise time? Category ponot AC. Okay. Imphal, Itanagar, Aizal, Agartala. 55. Which one of the following is called dry ice? Dry ice. Solid carbon dioxide. Which one of the following is water-borne disease? Jaundice. Who among the following is also known as the Little Corporal? Napoleon Bonaparte. Kalpakam in Tamil Nadu is famous for atomic power station. Who was the first governor of Meghalaya? Can I take an important one? Exam. Who was the first governor of Meghalaya? D. Braj Kumar Nehru. What does an airbag used for the safety of car driver contain? Sodium oxide. The term URL used in internet technology stands for Uniform Resource Locator. Money deposited at a bank that cannot be withdrawn for a preset fixed period of time is known as term deposit. Term deposit. Oh yes, term deposit. Where was the first ever Meghalaya International Film Festival held? Shillong po Meghalaya tagari Shillong. Itu artali akan mau kita isan kanai ban reply very important. Who among the following was the renowned musician in Akbarkot, Tansen? The term bogie is associated with golf. Bogie with golf. Which country is the newest member of NATO? Canada, Sweden. Kan mau por ba football Sweden. Kalau ngajeng youth kiaso Sweden. Zlatan. The cash reserve ratio is a tool of monetary policy. Freedom in Exile is a book authored by Dalai Lama. Kum gini ki question ru ki one batch kumut ba man la ka exam kin don batch kum gini question ba ya kata ka kot mano batho ya kata ka kot mano batho kin don batch kum gana ten one batch question. The Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana is a government scheme that provides health insurance. PMJAY. PMJAY health insurance. Teak and sal are the principal trees in forests known as tropical moist deciduous. Rakhal Das Banerjee discovered which of the following Indus Valley site Mohenjo-daro. A black hole is a body in space that does not allow any radiation to come out. The property is due to its very high density. Chenab Railway Bridge, the world's highest single-arch railway bridge, is in Jammu and Kashmir. The United Nations Conference on Environment and Development is called Earth Summit. Which of the following words were added to the preamble of the Indian Constitution by the 42nd Amendment? Secular and socialist. Which of the following was a leap year? Kana tu pihak nang ban keng kana di arja sao 2024. An article is sold. Okay, law aptitude. An article is sold for 2,400 at a profit of 25,000. What would have been actual profit or loss if it had been sold at 1,800? Kana pihak nang ban keng profit and loss 6.25% hap keng ini. Choose the alternative which resembles the mirror image of the given combination. Kena pihak ya kan mirror image opposite. Apa mirror kan kalah ada kumno lah dapat mirror. The B is the correct answer. 79 itu find the missing number. Kini rugi iwan bah pinang ban ken jangan try kan suk hai gini pihak teban practice bah bom ju practice gini. Idon lagi jong ki trick ban ken gini missing number 26854. The correct answer is 162. 80, 10, 70, 15, 60. Correct answer is 20. Narrow 14, 18, 28, 20, 40, 32, 64, 56. Bun in the way lies something. Question number 82, 544, 509, 474, 439. Kade C 404. Sakai ngan hangne nganam pen I kerkom khen jama kine la regi batip la nang bait ban khen kane ki missing number shi one bait kine ru aman la ki exam ka shong ko number don ki basuk pa don ki ba kham e. From the given response find the missing letter in the series kine ru ki kham suk ba de khen A B D C I D P kade E Y ma de kane phap khen kat kum ne Pihak thok iki letter A udah number kat no shuhna number 1 then B number 2 C number 3 tengah ne A mut bang asya plus 1 plus 1 mut ban kong de 2 then number 2 B de 2 plus 4 5 6 kia chúng ta tegala yo number 2 6 kan ya ta bet ya pinsa khen gen kanu ba de correct answer pinsa yo ya ka correct answer kini re khamsuk shpomak ni re GNPT ETNN CNLT correct answer le ATJN 85 correct answer is FU 86 Nikita is 50 years old and Nasia is 40 years old. How long ago was the ratio of their age? 3:2. Correct answer is 20 years. If A is the sister of C and C is the wife of D, then how is D related to A? Brother-in-law. Find the odd number on the series. Ini rujuk A series. Answer is A 100. Flower is related to bird the same way as fruit is related to flower. Nun is related to convent in the same way as hen is related to a goat. 91 to 92. Select the word pair which has same relation as the given word pair below. Meaning lively, dull, employee, jobless, sound, muffled, color, faded. Each of the following question arrange in a meaningful sequence and thus find the correct answer from the given alternative. Kat sequence upon page kita number 1 2 3 kita tata. Question number 93 correct answer is C. 94 correct answer is B. Happen page kini meaning aku kene ngan ai nuksane 562 kemudian 1 shwa kan one shock advertisement, and then apply advertisement chua, then apply application, adapt application, and in let chua daka interview, adapt interview, then selection, adapt selection, court appointment, adapt court appointment, kan sawan ka probation. 95, correct answer is D. 96, correct answer is A. In each of the following question, find the alternative which will replace the question mark. Cup, lid, cupboard, but big. 98, D, pool. 99, bow, cart, hoof, horse. 100, C, study of insect entomology, kedai study of insect. Then part C, arithmetic. Kini rebede wajing keng, kini haban keng. Te hangir orang pan ire te pinapan keng hi pan practice dengan shibun I ke answer jong gini. Number 101, if the radius of a circle is double, then its area become 4 times. Kini baru ke wajing keng, gibun kide bi class 10 no, napo class 10 ben. Given that HCF got 40 and LCM, then the value of K is A1650. 103 TP and TQ are two tangent of circle with center O, so that L angle P OQ 110 degree, then angle PTQ is equal to 70 degree. 104, if one of the zeros of cubic polynomial x cubed plus ax squared plus x plus 1 is minus 1 and the product of all two zeros is 1. The degrees of the polynomial x4 minus kane teka sub kane degree de power ma kane teka ba easy bahai ba nang degree hane de 4, so the correct answer is 4. Ba he tam o power, so the correct answer is 4. If R is the radius of a sub bubble, then the surface area of the bubble is given by 4 pi r square kane hapuli formula. Card is drawn from the set of 52 cards. Find the probability of getting a queen card. Kane hamsuk hi. Queen card hangne phap tip card total day san for R, the can one san for R. Queen card can done southerly, then second cell as an R sow, as an R sow, as an R, then as we are, as line drew. The way po cut line. Probability khamsuk khamyalai, if the mean of a plus 3, a plus 6, a plus 9, and a plus 12 is 10, then equal to 4. Baru gede equals jingkali kas 10. A quadratic polynomial, the sum and product of whose zeros are respectively minus 3 and 2 is C, x squared plus 3x plus 2. The line 9x plus 2y plus 12 equals 0 and 18x plus 6y plus 24 is equal to 0 are coincident lines. The quadratic equation 2x squared minus 4x plus 3 is equal to 0 has imaginary roots. The value of k for which the quadratic equation 2x squared plus kx plus 2 is equal to 0 has equal roots are minus plus 4. The number of 2 digits which are divisible by 3 is 30. In a flower bed, there are 23 rose plants in the first row, 21 in the second, 19 in the third, and so on. There are 5 rose plants in the last row, then the number of rows in the flower bed is 10. Common difference of an AP is which A18 plus A14 is called 32 is 8. Which of the following cannot form a right triangle? 957. D 957. In a single throw of 2 dice, the probability of getting a total of 8 is the probability 5 by 36. If alpha and beta are the roots of quadratic equation x squared plus 5x plus a is equal to 0 and 2 alpha plus 5 beta is equal to minus 1, then a is equal to minus 24. The distance of the point P43 from the origin have the distance formula is 5. The volume of surface area of a sphere is numerically equal, and the radius of a sphere is 3 unit. Here have nang one king, can formula, then pila one king. The value of k for which x, 2x plus k and 3x plus 6 are any 3 constitutive term of AP is 3. The point on axis which is equidistant from point minus 1 0 and 5 0 is B 2 0. A number is selected random from number 1 to 30 and there probability probability that is a prime number is 1 by 3 capital number is 30 probability ban yo prime number kidon kanotali and pinto sejrong then so divide pinyo 1 by 3. If the n term of an AP is 2n plus 1, then the sum of first n term of the AP is n plus 2. The perimeter of a triangle with vertices 0, 4, 0, 0 and 3, 0 is 12. If the perimeter of a circle is called perimeter of square, then the ratio of the square is 14:1. If 11 times the 11 term of an AP is equal to 7 times the 7 term, then its agent term will be D is equal to 0. The total number of outcomes is 2 dice and a coin are tossed simultaneously is 72. Which of the following can be the probability of an event 8 by 9? If tan A, trigonometry equal cot 30 degree plus A, then A is equal to 30 degree. If 1 0 the quadratic polynomial x square plus 3x plus k is 2, then the value of k is p minus 10. The area of the circle that can be inscribed in a square of side 10 cm is 25 pi centimeter square. The slant height of the first top of a cone having radius of 2n as 5 cm and 2 cm square and height 4 cm is 5 cm. The coordinate of the diameter of a circle are 2 minus 5 and 2 9, then the coordinate of center is 2 2. For what value of k, the pair of linear equation 2x minus 4 minus 3 is equal to 0 and 2kx minus 7y minus 1 is equal to 0 has unique solution. K is not equal to 0. Ini pihak banda pulih kita nak fokus standard baru ini. A dice is thrown. What is the probability of getting a perfect square number? Die the total is 6. Perfect square maybe 3. Then 2. 3 3 2 2 4 or 2. Modma as line drill. Kane kan 1 kisuk hagine probability mo giba anang kan 1 by 2 by 6 te as we are sin line drill ada 1 by 6 or 1 by 3. The class mark of class 1020 is 15. If sin x equal cos x, then x is equal to 45 degree. The area of triangle with vertices A 30 B 70 and C H4 is H square unit. If P A by 2, 4 is the midpoint of the line segment joining the point A minus 6 5 and P minus 2 3, then A is equal to minus 8. The value of sin 15 degree cos 75 plus cos 15 sin 75 is 1. The quadratic polynomial having zeros as 1 and minus 2 is C. If P and Q are two prime numbers, then HCF PQ is 1. The point P which divides line segment joining the point A 2 minus 5 and B 5 minus 2 in the ratio 2 3 lies in the fourth quadrant. A pole 6 meter high cast shadow 2√3 meter long on ground and the sun's elevation is 60 degree. Baru kita ibig na po class 10 din. Which number among the following is irrational? Pi. The LCM of smallest two-digit number and smallest composite number is 20. Which term of the AP 3 8 13 is 28 16? For what value of x are the point A minus 3 12, B 76 and C x 9 collinear 2? The value of tan 5, tan 25, tan 30, tan 65, tan 85 is 1 by root 2. The baro long she's pasan for the equation nice pamak. The baro kini equation sa kini ki kamtam kini jengkali jangka jengken kini baro kini baik napo code class 10 telda pi kwa ban puli baha tapi practice bana code class 10 mo arithmetic baro all class 10 baik ini ada pila practice ba code class 10 ud ba shispa mak tapi niyo baik naga shispa mak te tangki nehi ada bang lupa nabastang menganom ken dengan su ai baik tangi ki answer badap don lupa badap ai lupa dengan su puli kena question paper tang ban share lem gitu ki baron kam ban page ya question paper te tangkat nehi khublei shibun